There are certain tools that every enthusiast needs to have in their arsenal, and at the top of that list is a reliable table saw. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started on your home improvement journey, a good table saw can make all the difference in the world. While cabinet table saws command respect due to their unwavering strength and sheer size, the portable table saw is a hidden jewel in the carpenter's arsenal. These small wonders have quietly created a niche in the hearts of crafters, providing unequaled convenience without sacrificing precision or strength. Here is a list of the top portable table saws, followed by a buying guide to help you select the best portable table saw for your needs. There are many products available to choose the best portable table saws for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable table saws for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Table Saws for Professionals. SawStop CNS 175 TGP 252. Among all the saws designed for professionals, the SawStop 10-inch contractor saw stands out thanks to its industry-leading safety mechanism. This device detects the presence of human skin in under 5 milliseconds and immediately stops the blade, drastically reducing the likelihood of serious injury. Its safe operation isn't its only selling point. The saw's 1.75 HP motor, which is protected by a strong exterior, allows the saw blade to effortlessly handle hardwoods and other difficult materials. The 52-inch T-glide fence adds to this efficiency. Even with all of its bells and whistles, the saw is surprisingly portable, making it a top pick for the job site where you'll need to move your gear around frequently and with ease. All this, together with its sturdy build, makes it an instrument well suited to the demands of professional use. The directions come on big, clearly written, color-coded flowcharts, and all nuts and bolts are individually packaged and color-coded to match, wrote one customer. Regarding its efficiency and ease of use, another happy buyer called it a fine piece of equipment and added, after it quickly runs through the system, check if you pull the start lever, and the motor is smooth on startup and quiet. The fence system glides very nicely all the way across the table. The mobile base works very well, and the saw moves freely. The table is very stable, and if you didn't look underneath, you'd feel you were using a cabinet saw based on how smooth it truly is. Number 2. Best Portable Jobsite Table Saw. WORX Electric WX 572 liters. The WORX WX 572L Blade Runner stands out in the crowded portable worksite table saw market. Its capacity to be both powerful and portable makes it one of the most useful table saws if you keep realistic expectations in mind. These hybrid table saws sport exceptional mobility due to their small size and low weight. Though little in stature, there is no lack of power. Right off the bat, the saw's 5.5 amp motor dispels any doubts about its cutting ability, making quick work of even the hardest woods. This showcases it as a versatile tool that can replace bulkier table saws in many situations. As opposed to most portable table saws, this one is very affordable, too. What's more, like most table saws, the Blade Runner is not limited to working with wood alone. Its versatility is further enhanced by the fact that, with a few simple blade adjustments, it can be used to cut a wide variety of materials, including ceramic, aluminum, and mild steel, in a variety of cutting depths. A buyer described it as small and lightweight and wrote that it mounts nicely on a workbench but is also portable. A great addition for any handyman project, lightweight and mobile, makes it easy to take to the worksite. Number 3. Best Multi-Purpose Table Saws. DeWALT TDWE 7485. The DWE 7485 table saw is just the latest example of why DeWALT is widely regarded as producing high-quality power tools. The powerful 15-amp motor, along with safeguards such as the pinion fence system, allows it to deal with the toughest materials safely. Due to its strength and the accuracy of its 8¼ inch blade, it can cut through anything from sturdy hardwoods to thin laminates with ease and precision. Table saw portability is a common worry, especially among professionals who must frequently switch between locations. DeWALT does an excellent job at solving this problem. Its robust structure also guarantees it will last through the rough treatment it will receive on busy building sites every day. Meanwhile, the intuitive layout, user-friendly blade adjustments, legible measuring scales, and reliable safety features make it a pleasure to use, even for lengthy periods of time. This makes it not only a potent tool, but also an easy one to use, suitable for both seasoned professionals and people just starting in this field. One new woodworker noted that it's sturdy, accurate, well thought out, and a professional user added. The safety features, self-contained tools, storage, and functional use features clearly were defined by someone that actually uses a table saw at DeWALT. This is a very well thought out and intuitive saw to use. I also like all of the aluminium. It appears that the tabletop might be some sort of a composite, but not sure that said the tabletop will not rust. Number 4. Best table saw with a folding table, SKIL TS630700. There are a lot of table saws out there, but the SKIL TS630700 is one of the few that manages to strike a good balance between mobility and performance. This quality table is ideal for skilled workers who value productivity without the constraints of a permanent workshop. The 10-inch blade, coupled with the 15-amp motor, can easily cut through many different materials, and its precision is sure to be appreciated by both professionals and diggers. The ingenuity of the stand's design makes it simple to pack away and quick to assemble in new locations. The stand is strong, offering a stable basis for your work, and yet it folds easily, embodying all the desirable qualities of a portable worksite table saw. As explained by one seasoned user, it is really quite light, and yet it is very stable. Changing the blade's height or angle is simple, so there's little pause in productivity when switching between jobs. This SKIL table is built with safety in mind, so you can work confidently on even the toughest projects, as the blade guards and dust port elbow, along with the rack and pinion fences, are key features of this product. A buyer explained, "The fence is very user-friendly, and I particularly like the fact I can lock the start button down. It protects the grandkids." Number 5. Best cordless portable table saws, Metabo HPTC 3610DRJQ4. Metabo HPTC 3610DRJQ4 stands out as a leader for those looking for power and portability in a world where cordless is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It's obvious that this isn't a regular table saw right away. The 10-inch blade ensures clean, deep slices. Thanks to its powerful motor powered by the innovative 36V multi-volt technology, the results are the same whether you're working with softwood or hardwood. However, its cordless functionality is what sets it apart. You can set up your workshop anywhere, whether it's a garage, a job site, or even your backyard, without worrying about finding an outlet. This independence improves both comfort and efficiency, since you no longer have to schedule tasks around available power outlets. Though it's advertised as a tool only, after you've invested in the Metabo HPT ecosystem, you can easily swap batteries between tools because they're all compatible with the multi-volt battery system. Because of how well everything works together, you have more leeway and lower costs. Super solid machine with the ability to go cordless, wrote a customer. It's definitely the Hulk of portable table saws. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.